Thank you very much. It's your friend and brother again, Young ID TV. Thank you very much for always checking on this channel. Thank you very much for always leaving a comment at the comment section. Thank you very much for always being my fan. I say God bless you a billionfold. I appreciate you all. Yes, a very quick one. I just stumbled on a video right now. A lady cried out that an authority in Germany, or the authority in Germany, wants to take her first son. She cried out that people should assist her and people should call her to comfort her, and she has been the one taking care of all the kids. I just want to do a little bit analyzing of this video about her own statement that she makes. I want to do I want to analyze the video a little bit so that we all watching this video would don't just watch and leave. Try as much as possible to watch to the ending. Pick something from this video, because I don't just do my video because I just want to do video or because I love doing video. I do my video because I want people to always try as much as possible to pick one or two life experiences that is happening, that sometimes we are afraid to take a move. You might watch this video and you will take that bold step. Thank you very much once more again for always checking on this channel. So let's go to this video. The lady cried out. She is a German. She lives in Germany. According to her, she said she has German document or German resident permit, you know. So I just want to analyze this video so that we Nigerians, we will learn not just from this woman, but we will learn from this experience that I'm about to share right now. So that's the video, please.
People should help me before I come and do myself. Ever since I've been suffering taking care of my children alone. I suffer taking care of my children alone. There is no man, no woman, just follow me every day. My baby don't grow up now, praise. The senior one, I have 4 baby in Germany. The overall senior one, I didn't know say they enter their high. They enter the government high. One girl from Ukraine in Germany, he always come to my house. He will say he want to assist me for the children. He want to help me to go and teach the children how to read and write. So he go they carry the senior one, they go in house every day.
Okay, you hear this lady right now saying that a friend in a city where she lives, that a lady always come and assist, that she wants to teach the children, or she wants to teach that particular boy, as she is saying on this video.
So day before yesterday, 3 days ago, he called me on phone. Then he tell me say he gave me, he go carry me go. Then the baby go need to start school. So I tell him that I don't need your help, madam.
Okay, from this video right now, for what she just said, that means maybe the woman might be a social assistant. You know, that is what a lot of Nigerians face when they don't speak the language. Language is very, very important. Once you are living in any country that is not speaking English, try as much as possible to go to language school. It's free, and if care is not taking the school that you are going to, depend on the school, pays you money at the end of the month for you to even learn that language, you know. So I think the woman right now, she don't speak German language, she don't understand the language. That is why, because once we do not understand the language, I always tell people here that parents that do not understand language is not good, because you cannot assist your kids in their assignment. You don't know when they are doing well or not. You don't even know what is going on in their today activities in school. It is very, very bad. It is very, very bad. That is why I always say that once you have document, try as much as possible. It is difficult, you know, but you have to encourage yourself to do it. If not, you are not going to understand the system. Yes, you are inside the system, but you are far away from the system totally. And I think this woman is a social assistant who thinks that okay, this is up to it's time for this baby to go to school, you know. Okay, they are putting the children, maybe the son, on how to speak the language fluently, and normal, maybe the son might not be doing well in school, so they are trying to see the reasons why this boy is not doing well in school. But if the mother have been speaking that language, perhaps maybe that woman won't have come in at the first place to come and teach the kids, the son, any book or any lesson at all. So let's hear more of the video.
Sometimes people come, go tell me, say, you want help me take care of my children is too much, and I don't have husband, my husband is not in this country, and nobody to help me, there is nobody to care for me. Say you want carry my pikin go for another house, then I will feel good if you sit down. I say, no, I don't want to tell you of my child, it's not fair to take care of my children. I will take care of them. I'm just telling you what for you to help me before I die standing. You have to help me. If you are a mother that carry baby for 9 months, you will feel the pain that I feel. I'm not these people, many of them, you have been seeing me with this baby. I don't use my children. Always I will post their picture. I always proud of them. I'm their only mother they have. They know. So I never even did any of my child one day. So the woman comes now. He called me the day before yesterday and they said they want to carry me and my children to go to school. Then they go play with the senior one from school. Then after there, I tell you, say no, I don't go play for any girl. I don't want your help, thank you, because I don't suspect you woman. Say you want to pick him down. So then I went up the court, then they tried.
One, you know, in Europe there is a certain age that all children must go to school. Once your baby is up to 2 years, it is mandatory and it is compulsory that they must go to school. And once you enter the country, you seek asylum, and you have a baby, and that baby is up to the age of going to school, the next minute or the next month you will see your baby. They will find a space for that age baby to go to school so that he can learn that language, while you as a mother or as a parent, you are battling with the process in the system. So perhaps the son of this woman is up to the age of registering in school, or for up to the age of going to school, because the woman is not the woman has not integrated into the system, and she has documents. That is why you see them doing, she has started this, or that is why you see this problem arising, that the baby or the son has to go to school. They want to try as much as well to take the boy to school. And that woman must be a social assistant for her to be disturbing her.
So I said I want transfer, then I end up this call. Then he say, okay, no problem. If I don't want the help, he will rest, no problem. That was before yesterday. Then I call my lawyer. Then I tell my lawyer, say, please, now he should help me to look for another apartment because I have documents already. My children have documents already. So then I received the letter that I can go and look for a house because I have to look for where they live now.
As I told you, you have document already. What stops you from going to school? If not, your social assistant will not give you a breathing space if you do not go to school, or if you are not doing something. They feel that you want to come and benefit the system. I'm not that social assistant, and you know, so I'm just saying this. Let's watch.
I don't have any man who is supposed to. The father of my baby is deported to Italy. So nobody cares for me. Just only me man. And the 2 boys I bring them from Morocco, they are not the 2 years.
Okay, you heard what she said, that the father of the children were deported to Italy, or is in Italy. My question is that when this woman gave birth to the one she gave birth in Europe, the 2 kids she gave birth in Europe, did that man actually sign as the father of that baby? that is the question I want to ask that lady right now. Did that man that was, because German or Belgium cannot even deport you. It is difficult. Belgium cannot deport you, or German cannot deport you when you claim that this man is right from when you are starting to fill the paper, or right when you are seeking asylum or any process, or right from when you knew that you are pregnant, going for antenatal, going for all those stuff. Did the man actually go with you, and did you actually say that this is the man's, or this is the man that actually gave is the father of your baby? Did the man actually sign? It's a question, because if the man actually signed on it, or you have taken that man along with the system, perhaps the man won't have been deported back to Italy. It is easy. They will say, okay, this man is an helping hand to this woman. She has 4 kids. They cannot easily deport her back. You know, okay, because this man is assisting this woman. But I think in that case, they did not do it, or the lady did not do it. Maybe she declared single mother. You know, so that is why they might, maybe when control comes, or when they check the house, they see the man, what the relationship do you have, they have to take the man or deport the man back, because the man's signatories or is not in the name of his children. That is actually the father that gave birth to them.
The woman just
And you heard her, when you have 2 kids before, when you brought from Morocco, or you used them to cross the Red Sea, just imagine with 2 kids. Right now you gave birth again to another 2. The one you have before, you are finding it difficult to learn.
Yeah, that was day before yesterday. Then I rest, but later in the morning, then he say one man come. That one they always come take the pikin go some leg, go teach her for us. The driver come back again. Then the driver on the Tuesday, now he come carry in the morning. My boy was doing fine. I bath her, I brush her, I even brush her that day. As big which I brush her, I bath her. But it was very okay. It's very okay. Later, the girl called me on phone. Say my son can pray for us. Me Peter. I said, what are you saying? What kind of talk is that? Say I Peter. Why would I beat my son? From there, alright, them say, what carry the son go hospital? They won't go look and see some back for you. I said, do you have food? Then I just called my son because I buy food for her. The phone day with her, but they're not the social phone day with her. Then I called my son. Everything is written. I'm telling you, some people will help me that will feel the pain that I'm feeling. So from there, now I call my son. As I call my son, now I ask my son, say, Prince, what happened? What did you tell this lady that he's always come? He say he want to help her. Prince say I did not say anything. Prince say the woman they forced me to give me some medication. I say, really? If they give you some medication, he say yes. He said that they force her and put for his motor. Then they tell her, say, your mother is poor, he's from Africa, he cannot take care of you, he have no husband, nothing, he cannot take care of you, he's poor, we will buy food for you, we will give you internet, we will give you phone. He said that they deceive her with many things for you. Now I said, don't collect to. Then they say you want to go and meet your mommy. Now my son say, okay, mommy, I said they already say I want to come home. Then they drive me, they come. I say, okay. Small time I call again. You know they reach house. He said that they drive me. He said no, they don't drive me reach house. They don't stop me for some place. And there's some woman don't come and they carry me go for some place. I said, tell them say you want to go home. He said, I did not tell them say my mother beat me. I don't tell them nothing. He said, I want to go and meet them. And they hear my son they cry. Then they force my son to go away to them because what are they collecting from? Until now, I don't see my son again. Until now, I don't see my son again. Then I go for the new brother. Then I ask, they say, wait till I'm proud and collect my son. He said my son they compensate me with the time. I said, because when you don't grow rich like this, when they get small, when I
One, you don't understand the all you are saying is your pikin don't grow, your pikin don't grow, your pikin don't grow. You do not understand the language. Listen to me, that is the fault that we are saying. that when you fail to learn that language, what your son is telling you will be different from what they are telling you. If you think I'm lying, give your children newspaper to give your children letter to read for you. What they will interpret for you is different from what is inside that letter. But if you are understanding that language, it's just for you to take it and you say, what you told me is different from what they are or what is written here. They will try to. It is normal because you as a mother, you don't understand that language. So what they are telling them in school is quite different from what he will be telling you in school. It will be quite different from what he will be telling you at home. 100% different. So that is why we have to try as much as we don't give that space. And social assistant will be always on your neck if you do not do the right thing. So most of the time you do not need social assistance if you are speaking the language fluently. What do you need social assistance for? All you need is a lawyer. Once it's time for you to go or any document, it's a lawyer. You do not need that social assistant anymore. But once you are not speaking the language, you are naive, you refuse to integrate into the system, social assistant will always be your portion. It will always be there. Because they will help you to read your letter, they will help you to analyze everything, they want to know everything about you. So when your son, depending on the response that your children will be giving to them, that is what determine, or that is what they will look and think and say, okay, this is the probability that this is the reason why this son or this baby is behaving like this. Let's continue with the class. Madam, that is the problem. I say this is the way they are in Germany. That is not the way they are in Germany. That is where you put yourself. If you have integrated into the system, you have ensured that you followed every protocol, and your son that is of age is going to school, you are following step by step. You don't need any social assistance. You don't even need this kind of thing. I have pieces of parents that they cannot, throughout their years of staying with their kids, they cannot even as much. I'm going to stop this video here, guys. They cannot even as much as possible. They cannot even as much as possible try. Not even ABC to Z. They cannot even read it in that language, in that country language. Not even 1, 2, 3 to 10. They will not understand it in that language of that country. So if your kids might not be doing well, or your children is not doing well, it is totally your fault. Because normally, once they come back from school, try as much as possible to glance through their notes, to glance through their book, because you understand the system. You don't have social assistant to come and be telling you, or to come and be taking you. Listen, you don't need them. Most of the time, you don't need them.
You see, to when I think, when I want to woman.
Background
If I
Startup.
go forget
Background
this girl from
Startup.
New Grass, so this girl when
Most
just
popular motion graphics channel on YouTube.
You see the problem I have with Nigerian people. You see, how is it possible when you don't understand the language? All day you will go to office, you will see Nigerian people. Oh yes sir, d'accord, oui, merci, oui. That is all they will know. And you that is going to school, they will be laughing at you. Just imagine. Why will you tell me that you are pregnant? No matter how it is, at the first stage of that pregnancy, maybe they might not be able to determine the cell. But at most, I don't know, maybe I just assume, maybe from 3 months. From 3 months or 4 months, they should be able, or 5 months, depending. Some women will say they don't maybe, but no matter it is, they would give you the scan, and through that scan you will know, you will be able to say, okay, my baby is in this position, and then it has this there's a particular month that we will get to, they will be able to determine the cell of that baby. So that is why you see the social assistant discussing with the doctor, because you don't understand the language. You are coming on social media to cry. The time you are using to spend on social media, if you use it to go to school, you will not be crying now. There will be rewards. It's only Nigerian people you will see, they don't understand the language. They will just go to the office. Merci. D'accord, oui, Jacob, oui. That is all they will know. And the paper that they will give them, that they will send, they will not even understand the paper that they are signing. They will not even understand if the document that you sign is to take this first son that you have now to their care. You don't even know I don't even know A. If you are watching me now, you are not convinced to go to school, my dear, check it. You will say the government, they are not wrong. They are accommodated. Europe is a race. They are not races. If they can accommodate you, accommodate black, accommodate all national, they are not racist. Even giving a whole lot of benefit that the country that we came from cannot even afford to give us. What stops you from going to school? What stops you from learning that language? What stop? That is why you see, this woman will decide to take a stand. Everything that she will be doing, the social assistant will be there to be interpreting, will be there at the front line. This is what Gemma is doing. This is what Gemma is doing. But you don't know the benefit that Gemma is giving to you. It is normal. If you don't understand, if you don't speak the language, you don't integrate that, then the social system will continue to be, they will continue to be at your door, know the food you eat, know how you sleep, know that money that enters into your account, because you fail to take a stand of that person. I want to hear this language, I don't need the social assistant anymore. If I have my next rendezvous or meeting, I will go there myself and sit down. It is better to try to speak that language. They will correct you than never to speak at all. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. Please, let's try as much as possible to encourage ourselves. They will be laughing at you. Me that I'm talking now, I did this video because I'm being mocked. Most of the time, you see they go school, I want to go school for. Nowadays I want to go school. I just get that, I just go work. Why will I be working? I don't understand A, I don't understand B. Why do I want to go and work when maybe my patron will say take this thing from left to right? I will not even understand what he's saying. How will I go and work when I don't even understand come and go in the country that is not an English country? How will I experience promotion in that work where I don't understand my left from my right? How will I be able to take my kids to appointment when I don't speak the language? How will I be able to tell my kids that this assignment you do is wrong when I don't understand the language? How will I be able to convince my son and my daughter that what they are telling them about Africa is not the true thing when I don't understand the language? It is good to understand that language and mix it up with English so that no whatever way that they are passing, you will understand, and let your children know that what you are saying in this particular. So children are even insulting their parents in that language, their parents will not understand. Maybe they'll tell you drop the tablet, they will insult them in that language, they will not understand. You see? People that have been laughing at me, this video is for you people. Better wake up today, go to that French school that you are running for. Better wake up today, go to that Netherlands school that you are. I thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I pray that this woman, the government or the authority return our kids back. so that she will come back to an happy mood. And I pray that God give her wisdom, that she knows that she has 4 kids, so she has to speak that language so that she will be able to follow up that 4 kids very, very well in the education and in the line as far as the elites in the country that don't speak English. I hope this video will touch you, that wake up today, you think you have one, this baby don't stress me. Yeah, online courses, go, it is free. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I'll come away next time. I'm a Young Guy Entertainment.